Welcome to ShoreStation. In this video, we'll show you how to operate your ShoreStation 6.0 control system using the new wireless remote. To wake the remote, just open the lid. It automatically starts up in function mode 1. By default, mode 1 controls the lift. Press up to raise it and press down to lower it. You can tap the mode button to toggle what you are controlling. In mode 2, you can operate the shore screen, and in mode 3, you can operate the lights. The remote's fourth button will toggle the lights instantly, no matter what mode you're in. Bear in mind that the keypad and the remote operate independently. Changing modes on one will not affect the other. To put the remote to sleep, just close the lid. It will stop sending signals and conserve its battery. It will also enter sleep mode on its own after 5 minutes of inactivity. And that's it. The new wireless remote gives you quick and full access to your system even when the keypad is locked. For info about pairing to your system, check out our pairing video. And as always, boat safe.